her, she gon' be down.
I am back with another video showing y'all my updated slick bun because baby, yes ma'am. As you can see, I started my hair off on some twist outs, and I just did these right after I got out the shower with barely any product in them, and I just unraveled them with some olive oil. Then I added some more olive oil to fluff my hair out, just to get some more volume, so you know the top of my hair can be looking good. If you didn't notice, I also added some red lipstick because a bun and red lipstick go together. It's like, girl, what you doing if you don't have your bun and a red lipstick? But anyways, I got some Eco Styler gel, and then I just put it on the top of my hair, as you can see, like so. Then baby, you just want to brush your hair and keep brushing until you can't brush no more, because we want this to be slick. We want to be like Slick Rick, even though the boy didn't have no hair. You know what I mean. Also, you want to get the comb to get any of them little weird knots out your head. It really helps a lot. And yeah, and you want to just keep brushing. I've been doing this for about an hour now, but y'all, it is what it is. Boom, once we're done with that, we just put the rubber bands on and we call it a day. The hard part is over. Now let's get to the real work. And then I got the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and I just placed some on top of my hair just so I can give it some more definition. And you already know what time it is when you see the toothbrush. It's edges time. So girl, yes, we're gonna swoop and we're gonna loop and we're gonna do all that because we need our edges to be extra just like us. You dig? Then I just twist the hair around each other and I put the bobby pin in, and that's all I do. And then I kind of shape it how I want to, but that's basically it. Boom, simple, cute, elegant, and fun. Yeah.